your secret of losing weight.
Wait a minute. This is the middle of the story. We have to start from the beginning. Hello to all my naturals. This is Eve Mafupa and her natural hair salon. Join me as I take you on a virtual tour. She has been running the salon for almost 7 years now, and she recently told us a story about how she started the business in a little storeroom with one door, one window, and just enough space to fit 2 people. And look, a hairstyle is being created as we speak. First client of the day. Did you know that you don't need to blow dry your hair when you're getting it braided? Crazy, right? But especially for a protective style, there is no heat needed. And this hairstyle took about 1.5 hours. Also, we have a lot of comedic moments like this one. Here's our next client. So she actually was getting ready for graduation. She studied medicine. Can you believe it? She completed all her internships and now she's ready to get 1 degree hotter. Get it? 1 degree hotter. Never mind. Anyway, this is a sleek ponytail being done on her and this took about 2 hours. Look how gorgeous. Here's our next client. Now I know I said that you don't need to blow dry, but this client has relaxed hair. When she came to us 5 years ago, her hair was more damaged than this and a braid could barely hold at the back of her head. Now her hair is flourishing and she faithfully comes for treatments and braiding. And we always use a heat protectant when using hot hair tools. Here at Nasha Hair Studio, we really focus on the health of the hair. Another thing about Nasha Hair Studio is that the only people who are allowed to pass hairpiece are the employees. It really gives the client an opportunity to relax while getting pampered and to allow them to get other stuff done like getting work done and catching up on a series. Absolutely stunning, and this whole service took about 3 hours. Comment down below if this is your favorite part of getting your hair done. A natural hair journey is not just about the hair, it's also about the scalp. So at Nasha Hair Studio, this is what a wash looks like. Not only is this calming, but it also stimulates hair growth. And then for my ladies who love a good ASMR, now that was satisfying. When you work at a hair salon, your hair is always done because the hairstylists do each other's hair and it feeds into the culture of working together and being a family. It's one of the ways we get to bond with one another. Now this is a spring twist. Comment down below if you think this is beautiful. I love the way it just looks so natural and it blends in with your hair so well. Here's our next client. Listen to this conversation.
Your secret of losing weight.
She's not gonna wait.
A lot.
Nothing beats the conversations that happen at a salon. So here we've got our next client. She is doing knotless braids with her sister. This is actually their first time here. I had a chat with their parent and they were just telling me how, they were looking for a salon for their little girls, a salon that would cater to mixed hair. And these took 5 hours. What I loved about these clients is that these were just 2 sisters getting their hair done together. It was such a special moment, which I think is so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our virtual tour here at Nasha Hair Studio. You can now sign up for our African hairdressing course. Link in the description box below.